Hey everyone, another walk along the Rideau River, along Riverside Parkway. We're gonna see how far this one can take us. If you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe, and off we go. Haven't gone past that sign when we stopped at Smythe in the last video. Oh, I'm not sure if we're going to be going under another bridge, bud. We will find out. I haven't gone that far. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, I enjoy my walks. I said I was going to take this route at some point in the summer, so here I am, taking the boys out. They need some nice fresh air, well, semi-fresh air. Still got cars all over the place. For that matter. But I want to see how far this goes. Right now the time is 11:45. Okay, I just need to pause for a second. I had to take his juice, put it back in the basket underneath. Yeah. Yeah, so the route I took was Main Street and Smythe Station. That was last time. But we're gonna go past that. I haven't gone this far before. I'm probably not going to complete it in this video, but I'm just going to keep on going. Yeah, let me know if the camera is a little too shaky. Right now it's on the stroller, on a gimbal. Just wanted to give my husband a break, some quiet, because every time he comes home, there's always kids running around. So he's having a rest time right now. Nice and shaded here, like this. Looks like we're in the middle of the woods. nice and cool under here too. Still looks like it's a little shaky. At least the camera itself is. Ooh. Yeah, some apple juice, so probably coughing on it a little bit.
Oh, wow.
Do you see the power lines, bud?
Wow.
Yeah? They're very, very high.
They're up and down.
Yeah, we're going this way. Looks like we can go other ways too, but we're gonna go straight. Looks like it goes to a crossway.
Oh, yeah,
You hear the airplane?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, my middle one really enjoys looking at its surroundings, hearing new things, seeing new things. Oh, looks like it breaks off here as well. But we're just gonna keep on walking straight. Not sure where this opens up to. Can't even see. And there's no sign. That's okay. It'll probably open up at some point. Okay. One thing I like about little ones is they sometimes really like to talk, but they just oohs and ahs. Exactly. Not sure if you really hear them all that well. I just wanted to give them a little more of a taste of nature. We did take them to that campsite area that I did a few shorts on. But you can see that it's also in our own backyard too. Mm-hmm. Honestly, I don't know how far this goes. I know it goes downtown, or at least on the outskirts of downtown on the other side. Just in this brush, you can't really see it. A little readjustment. Mm-hmm. Like, let's see what's under and on the other side the ridge and the other side of the corner. They do a lot of talking together when they're in the mood for it. You hear another airplane. They're playing together in the front. One thing's for sure though, you do not want to be underneath this at night. This would be pitch black. The lights cannot get through, and they're actually, I think the road's actually fairly far now. I'll stop in a minute, buddy. I see a seat there that I can stop at. Quick bumps here. Just like a tiny little drop there. Just gonna stop for a second. Okay, so it's been 14 minutes since we were at the bridge. And I have no idea where exactly along we are. I don't have my GPS on or anything, so I'm only using my phone. After you have your bear paw, I'll give you some goldfishies. I don't have many though, but he loves his goldfishies and bear paws. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And Daddy's at home. Yeah. Well, you might later. Right now, he's doing his own thing inside of the house. So you can open up. Am I able to see across this brush? Let's see. Nope, not at all. Just the sun. Ooh. In a little bit, buddy. I'm probably going to be pausing a few times on this route. Mainly to give them snacks and stuff. Oh, there's a dirt path here. I can't really take the stroller through that. In a little bit, buddy. This is a really nice path. I really like this. Oh, bless you. See how many kilometers I can get today. Nice long grass here. Bless you. Probably a lot of pollen in the air. Mm-hmm. Oh, I think I know whereabouts we are. Just saw some buildings I kind of recognize, I think. Thing is, we have so many different bike paths throughout the city. It's just finding them. Some are long, some are short. Oh, Bless you 3 times. I think this is the longest that I've been on one without hitting roads. Like, you can definitely hear it. You can hear the traffic. Something's going on. Now I'm just hearing it on the other side of the river and not the... I think we're along past the Riverside Parkway. I think that turns into the Vanier Parkway for a while. And we're not really beside it now. Okay, so the next sign is Lee's Station. So I think we'll be coming up to the bridge at some point. We're not going to go up there. Okay, Rideau Falls and 5.4K. Will I walk that far? I don't know. Okay, that's the light rail station. Ah. Yeah, this is the light rail, which used to be called the O train. So we must be getting close to the Ottawa University then, because I think I do see a building that's related to that. Can't really hear it as much under that bridge. Oh, very bumpy here. Okay, so the next seat I see, I'm gonna stop the video from there because I think we're getting long. Okay, yeah. I know those buildings. Because this stop fairly soon, but I think this will be the longest walk that I will be doing in a while. Needed the exercise. Been kind of stuck around the house for quite a while. Also, I haven't had that much motivation to do anything because I haven't slept all that well. Except for last night. And it's actually a nice day. Not too hot, not too cold, not raining. Do see a seat there, so I think we're gonna stop it there. Take a little bit of a break. And give him some of his goldfishies. So if you liked the video, if you actually watched it this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. But if you enjoy it, in a minute, buddy. If you enjoy this, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.